Okay, so back at you with another video. Today we're going to go over how to get into your vehicle if you lock your keys in your car. I do not condone you to do this for any other vehicle than your personal vehicle. If you do it to cause crime-related issues with other people, I do not condone that, and I do not agree with you doing that. So let's get started. All right, so first you got to get yourself an air jack. Access Tools at 1-800-323-TECH. You got to get yourself one of these cool things. Very careful when you slide it in here. Once you open the door up, if you come over here and you can see how I opened it up a little bit. I think it's a good point to go in at. I'm gonna grab the lock and then boom, should be in. Just like that. See where I was going? I came in through the top, pulled this, boom, I was in. It's in there like swimwear. Just pulled it right out. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. That's how you get into a car in less than 60 seconds. Or at least that type of vehicle. Thanks for watching.